Hello students, once again we are going to discuss one new topic of grammar. In previous class we learned about the adverbial clause. So in this class you will have the idea of some types of adverbial clause. So let's start. I want to remind you about the definition of adverbial clause. That part of the sentence having its own subject and predicate and playing the role of an adverb is called adverbial clause. Adverbial clause are of 6 or 7 types. Let's us discuss one by one. Okay, first of all we are going to discuss about the adverbial clause of time. As we understand, time is the answer of when. It states when something has happened और how often the things is going to be happen. कब कैसे क्या हुआ इसके बारे में जो हमें बताता है वो वो एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ टाइम होता है और ये हमेशा किससे स्टार्ट होता है? सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से. अंडरस्टूड? दीज आर द वर्ड्स विच we found in the start of the any adverbial clause of time. After, as long as soon as, before, no sooner than, since, until, when or while. Okay, these are the words which denotes when something happens or how often the things is going to be happen. So let's see the example. Okay, after the game has finished. Okay, the king and pawn go into the same box. It is an Italian proverb. Okay, here this part is called adverbial clause because it is the answer of when. Understood? So this part we are seeing that this part is playing the role of an adverb, so it is called adverbial clause. Okay, similarly in second example also we will see as soon as you trust yourself. As soon as you trust yourself, it starts with adverbial clause of time. Mein you just found that the part of that sentence which is a clause starts with this type of these subordinating conjunctions. So here as soon as you trust yourself you will know how to live. So it is called adverbial clause of time. Understood? The meaning is clear. Both are denoting the time. Okay, now I hope you understand adverbial clause of time. Now in next we are going to discuss adverbial clause of place. Okay, here like adverbial of clause of time, it tells about where something happens. Okay, where something happens. It is giving the answer of where. And it often starts with prepositions. You know what is preposition? A word which comes before noun or pronoun and playing the role of relation showing, that is called preposition. Okay, and in, on, near, these are the prepositions. On the road, in the garden, near the way. Prepositions or means or it can be starts from anywhere, everywhere, where, wherever. Anywhere, everywhere, where, wherever. Okay, so these are also the subordinating conjunction, and by this we found the word which starts, and if it is playing the role of adverb, it is called adverbial clause of place of. Understood? So let's see the example. In a world, there is a world where there is so much to be done. This is a very famous saying. Okay, in a world where this part where there is so much to be done is called adverbial clause. because it is defining the word world. It is defining the word world. So it is where there is so much to be done is called adverbial clause. I hope you understand. Okay. Similarly, we are going to discuss next, that is adverbial clause of manner. Okay, it just say about how something is done. Means how something is done is going to say the manner of adverbial. Understood? It often start with as, like, or the way. It start with this type of word, as, like, the way. Okay, as, like, the way, like this. He acts like it is a joke. It is a joke. This part, ये start किससे हुआ है? Like से हुआ है. It is a joke. So it is called adverbial clause of manner. Okay. Similarly, except for an occasional heart attack, I feel as young as I ever did. As young as I ever did. Okay. So this part, as young as, okay, except for the an occasional headache, I feel as young as I ever did. This part is called adverbial clause. Okay, because it is also telling how something is going to be. This is called adverbial clause of manner. Okay, I hope this first three adverbial clause types you understand very well. Let's revise once again. ऑफ टाइम में क्या होता है? व्हेन का आंसर होता है. ऑफ प्लेस, दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ वेयर. एंड ऑफ मैनर, दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ हाउ. Okay, you just try to see maximum examples by your own. I hope you got the point, and in the next class we are going to discuss about the rest part of the adverbial clause. Okay, thank you.